Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to service a VW Golf MK6 full guide. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the handbrake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal. I will guide you step by step through safe service routines, common maintenance tasks, and practical tips for DIY mechanics. We will focus on routine jobs that improve reliability and save money while highlighting when to seek professional help. Before we begin, gather common tools and fluids to save time and stay safe. You will need a 10mm socket, torque wrench, jack and stands, oil filter wrench, funnel, and rags. Use 5W40 or manufacturer recommended oil, the proper oil filter, DOT spec brake fluid, and VW approved coolant to protect components. Having parts and photos ready makes reassembly faster and reduces mistakes for confident maintenance sessions. Start oil change by warming the engine, draining into a pan, and replacing the filter before refilling to the correct level. Check and adjust brake pads and rotors, bleed any air using the proper sequence, and replace fluid if discolored or lower than spec. Replace air and cabin filters, inspect drive belts, and test the cooling system for leaks. Finish with a road test and a final systems scan for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.